Today, guys, I want to show you the LOVORK LED work light. This thing is incredible. I keep one in my truck for backup reasons. The LOVORK LED light. This thing is adjustable. It's got clamps. You can clamp this thing. It swivels 360. Look at that thing right there. It is 2,000 lumens. It has chargers with an AC adapter. It also has different power sources, so you can low light output or high light output. So it is very good. It's got a power indicator on the back, tells you the battery strength, so it's fully charged there. Check out some video here. This is of course the LOVORK LED light. I love this thing. I use this thing all the time. This thing is incredible. Comes with an AC to DC power charger, power indicator when you do plug it in and charge it. I do highly recommend these. These are incredible. Like I said, they are waterproof. I keep one in my truck all the time, and anytime we have the trailer out racing, this thing can clamp right on the back, and it is basically a pit light right off the back of our trailer. You can hang it in the trailer, you can move it around. This thing works great when you got to work on your truck after dark. If you were to get a flat tire along the side of the road, this thing's always going to be there and ready. Runs about 5 hours on low level and about 2 hours on full high output. So I recommend you guys picking one of these up.